we are going to discuss about cycloid. Okay, cycloid means the curve generated by a fixed point on the circumference of the circle which rolls without slipping along a fixed straight line or a circle. Let us consider a cylinder and consider a point, any one point on a cylinder. Just we roll a cylinder of one having a circumference 1 like this. This is the point. Let us consider a point. Let us consider a point A. If we roll the cylinder of circumference of a circle, again that point A touches the earth. The curve formed by this point is known as cycloidal curve. Okay. Now we discuss about a cycloid. Construct a cycloid given diameter of 50 mm and draw a tangent to it. So we know that diameter D is equals to 50 mm. 50 mm means 5 centimeters. So then the radius R is equals to diameter by 2. Okay, so then 50 mm divided by 2 is equals to 25 mm. So we know that 2.5 centimeters. So the circle is 360 degrees. Now we have to divide the circle into any number of convenient even number of parts, maybe 12 or 10 or 8. Let us consider 8 parts. Okay, so one part is equals to 360 degrees divided by 8 so we get one part is equals to 45 degrees. Now we have to find out the circumference of a circle. We know that circumference of a circle is equals to 2 pi r. So 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into, we know that radius r is equals to 2.5 centimeters. We got that circumference of a circle is equals to 15.7 centimeters. Now we have to divide the circumference into 8 parts. Why? Because we are dividing the circle into 8 parts. So we have to divide the circumference also into 8 parts. So one part is equals to 2 pi r by 8. So 2 pi r value we already find that 2 pi r is equals to 15.7. So 15.7 divided by 8 is equals to 1.6 centimeters. Let us draw a circle of radius 2.5 centimeters and divide the circle into 8 parts. Each part is having 45 degrees. Each part is having 45 degrees. Now we divide the circle into 8 parts. Each part is having 45 degrees. Now name the parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now from the point 1 we have to draw a horizontal line having length is equals to circumference of a circle. We already find that circumference of a circle is equals to 2 pi r is equals to 15.7 centimeters. So from point 1 we draw a horizontal line, named it as AB, and the length of the line is equal to circumference of a circle 15.7. Circumference of a circle 15.7 centimeters. Okay, then the line is named as AB, and from B we draw another vertical line is equals to diameter of the circle 5 centimeters, and from C we draw another horizontal line attached to 5, which is the length is equals to AB line. Now BC is equals to, we already know that it is the diameter of the circle 5 centimeters. Okay. Now divide the circumference into 8 equal parts. So 1 part is equals to, we already find that 1 part is equals to 2 pi r divided by 8. 15.7 divided by 8 is equals to, we got 1.96 centimeters. So from point A we divide the AB line into equal parts and named it as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash and 8 dash. Okay, from each and every point we have to draw one horizontal line up to CD line. And here we are having points 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. So from 2 to 8 we have to draw one horizontal line. Passing through 2 to 8 we have to draw one horizontal line. And from 7 to 3 we have to draw another horizontal line. And from 6 to 4 we have to draw another horizontal line. Okay, next, this is the center line of the cycloidal curve. So this is the 1 dash. So this is the center line, we are named as C1. This is the C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8. Now with the center as C1 having radius 2.5 centimeters, draw an arc on the first line. With the center as C2, draw another arc on the second line. With the center as C3, draw another arc on third line. With the center as C4, draw another arc on fourth line. Again from C5, C6, C7. Okay, now we have to draw the curve from A. to up to B. Okay, this is the cycloidal curve. Okay, now we discuss about tangent. This is the cycloidal curve. Now we can point anywhere on the cycloidal curve. This point we named it as P. From point P having radius 2.5 centimeters, from point P draw the arc on the center line. Okay, now join these two arcs. Now from this arc is named as Q, and from Q draw another vertical line up to the AB line. This point is named as R. Now join PR. Now draw a perpendicular line from the point P. This line is known as tangent of a cycloid. Thank you students. I hope you all understood.